Gibson, what did you discover today? How's that balloon flying? How is that balloon just hovering there? Huh? How is that doing that? What do you think's happening? What do you think it is, buddy? Huh? Let's try another one, huh? Try balloon, yeah. Why don't you try another one? Go ahead. What do you think's happening? Why is that balloon flying? Uh-oh, it's going really high now. Why do you think it's getting higher and higher? What do you think? Is it staying the same size too, or is it shrinking? It's shrinking, isn't it? Why do you think that is?
No. It's shrinking?